Example for graphical method, use this find the solution of given LPP using graphical method. Example, using graphical method, maximum z is equal to minimum z is equal to minus x1 plus 2x2 subject to minus x1 plus 2x2 subject to minus x1 plus 3x2 is less equal 10. Then next condition is x1 plus x2 is less equal 6. Then x1 minus x2 is less equal 2. Okay, and x1 and x2 are greater equal 0. This is one example. Then second example here maximum z is equal to 20x1 plus 10x2 subject to x1 plus 2x2 is less equal 40. Then 3x1 plus x2 is greater equal 30. Then 4x1 plus 3x2 is greater equal 60, and x1 x2 are greater equal 0. So solve these two problems. Try to solve these two problems. Okay, here points are 0, 10 by 3 and minus 10 and 0. Points are here. Points are 2 points for this equation are 0, 10 by 3 and minus 10 0. Okay, for these 2 points are 0, 6 and 6 0. For these 2 points are 0, minus 2 and 2 0. Okay, and plot a graph and select a region. Okay, here all constants are less equal, which implies that for this minus 10 to 1 by 3, which implies that for this region is the upper side of this line, and in these two lines region is for this line is region is also upper side, and for this line is region is below side of this line. Okay, so find their solution in home. Then next point is special cases in LPP, linear programming problem. Okay, so their first is alternative optimal solution. What is meant by alternative optimal solution? Alternative optimal solution means if a optimal solution has same value at different point, that is more than 1 points has same value of optimal solution, then we say that optimal solution is alternative solution. Okay, alternative optimal solution or multiple solution. Okay, so there is alternative optimal solution. Alternative optimal solution is arrive when the angle or slope of objective function when the angle or slope of objective function is same as any slope of the constraints in LPP. Okay, this is an alternative solution. Alternative solution means slope or angle of objective function. Slope of angle of objective function is same as any slope. Any other constraint has also same slope. Okay, or objective function has or objective function has the value of objective function, the here, or the value of objective function, the value of objective function is same, the value of objective function is same at more than one different point. Okay, one different point means value of objective function is same as more than one different point. Means if we suppose that in previous example, suppose that there has a x1 is equal to 3 by 2 and x1 is equal to, suppose here maximum z is equal to, this is objective function is x1 plus 2x2 has a solution is 10, and when solution is 10 at suppose that x1 is equal to 0 and x2 is equal to 5. Okay, there has a solution. And similar way, if suppose that any other point here exists such that their value is also 10 at suppose that x1 is equal to 5 and x2 is equal to 5 by 2. Okay, x1 is equal to 5 and x2 is equal to 5. These 2 points are different points. And therefore this objective function has same value at 2 different points, and therefore this LPP has a alternative solution. Okay, this or alternative optimal solutions are when angle or slope of objective function is same as any slope of constraints in LPP. Means any two constraints has a same objective value. Okay, so this is a definition of alternative solution. Alternative solution is a more than one solution. Alternative solution, objective function has more than one solution. Okay, alternative solution. Okay, therefore here x1 plus 2x2 has value 10 at 2 points, x1 0 5 and 5 by 2 has objective function value as 10. Okay, then we say that given LPP has a alternative solution. Okay, this is our definition of alternative solution, or we say that alternative solution if objective function has solution is objective function has solution is more than one vertex, or one point, then they has infinite solution, and the solution is called this solution is also called as alternative solution or multiple solution. Okay, alternative solution or multiple solution. That is objective function has solution is more than one vertex. Objective function has a more than one vertex solution. Then we say that given LPP has a alternative solution. Okay, and if given LPP has alternative solution, given LPP as alternative solution, then given LPP as alternative solution, then objective function is must be parallel to one of the constraints. When given LPP as alternative solution, if objective function is a parallel to the any one of the given constraints. Okay, given constraint, that is objective function is must be parallel to any one of the constraints, then we say that LPP has an alternative solution. Okay, this is an alternative solution. So we have to discuss some examples of alternative solution. Okay, alternative solution. So example is, suppose that maximum z is equal to 10x1 plus 6x2 subject to 5x1 plus 3x2 is less equal 30. x1 plus x2 is less equal 18, and x1 and x2 are greater equal 0. Okay, so solution of this problem. Let first we write all constraints in equality form. 5x1 plus 3x2, okay, is equal to 30. Then x1 plus x2 is equal to 18. Okay, now we have to find point for graph. Okay, now we have to find point of graph for 5x1 plus 3x2 is equal to 30. When x1 is equal to 0, then x2 is equal to 10, and x2 is equal to 0, then x1 is equal to 6. Therefore points are 0, 10 and 6, 0, 10 and 6, 0. Then next for second, x1 plus x2 is equal to 18. For this line points are 0, 18 and 18, 0. Okay, when x1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 18, and x2 is equal to 0, then x1 is equal to 18. So plotting a graph for these constraints, plot a graph. This is, suppose that this is our graph. Okay, so here points are multiple of scale is, suppose that here 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18, suppose that, and here also 3, 6, 9, then 12, here 15, here 18. Okay, here 0. So 0, 10 is something here suppose that 10 and 6. So join these 2 points, 0, 10 and this constraint is less equal type, means their solution is in this way, below side of this. This line is 5x1 plus 3x2 is less equal 30. Okay, then next is x1 plus x2, this is 18 and this is 18. So join these 2 points, okay. So region is a below side of this line and below side of this line, therefore common region is this line is x1 plus x2 is equal to 18. So common region is, this is a common region of, because this region is below side of this constraint and this region is also below side of this constraints. Okay, therefore common region is, this is our common region, 0, this is A, this is B. Okay, therefore the shaded region is is feasible region, shaded region is feasible region. Therefore points are OA, B, and coordinates of each coordinates O is equal to 0 0, B is equal to 6 0, and C is equal to point A is 0 10 0 10. Okay, and therefore value of z, value of objective function z is given that 10x1 plus 6x2. At point A has value is 0 10 has value is 60. At point 0 0 value is 0. Value of z is equal to 60, value of z is equal to 0. And at point B point is 6 0, there has value is also 60, and therefore maximum value of z is 60 at 2 points where A is equal to 0 10 and B is 6 0. Okay, therefore the maximum value of z is 60 at x1 is equal to 0 and x2 is equal to 10 and x1 is equal to 6 and x2 is equal to 0. For these 2 points, for these 2 different points has same objective value. Okay, these 2 different points has same objective value 60, and therefore given LPP, therefore this problem has a alternative solution. Okay, therefore optimal given LPP has alternative optimal solution. Okay, therefore given LPP has alternative optimal solution. Okay, given LPP has alternative optimal solution, and it has a solution is 60 at x1 is equal to 0 and x2 is 10 and x1 is equal to 6 and x2 is equal to 0. Okay, in this way we say that given LPP has alternative solution or not. Okay, if optimal solution has same value at 2 different points, optimal solution has same value at 2 different points, then we say that given LPP has alternative optimal solution, and if not, then we say that given LPP has only solution. Okay, this is a one case. Then second case is unbounded solution. How to prove given LPP has unbounded solution? If next is unbounded solution. Unbounded solution means unbounded solution exist. Unbounded solution when exist when the solution variable and objective function made infinite large, that is we say that when objective function is suppose that here one of the graph is putting here graph, suppose that unbounded solution means when a region is unbounded, then we say that given solution region is unbounded and objective function is suppose that maximized type, then we say that given LPP has a unbounded solution. Okay, so for example suppose that maximum z is equal to 3x1 plus 2x2 subject to x1 minus x2 is greater equal 1 and x1 plus x2 is also greater equal 3 and x1 and x2 are greater equal 0. Okay, so this LPP has unbounded solution. How to check that? Find firstly solution of this LPP. by using graphical method. So x1 minus x2 is equal to 1 and x1 plus x2 is equal to 3 points are, their points are 0, minus 1 and 1 0. Okay, 1 0, and their points of this are 0 3 and 3 0. Okay, their graph is, suppose their graph of this line is 0 3 and 3 0. Okay, suppose 1 2 3 3. Okay, and in this way here minus 1 minus 2, and here minus 1 and minus 2. Okay, so first points of first is 0 minus 1 and 1 0, 0 minus 1 and 1 0. So joining these 2 points, okay, this line is x1 minus x2 is equal to minus 1. So which is a greater equal, when which is a greater equal, this is, then their portion is must be greater than sign. Okay, so this is one line. Then next line is x1 plus x2 equal to 3, x1 plus x2 is equal to 3 x1, and join these 2 points. Okay, this, suppose joining these 2 points, this line is x1 plus x2 is greater equal 3, sorry, equal to 3. This line is equal to 3, and so here constants are x1 minus x2 is greater equal 1. x1, this line portion of this constant is greater equal type, therefore portions are below side of this line. Okay, portion of is must be below side, and this is x1 plus x2 is greater equal to 3, therefore portion is upper side of this line. Okay, upper side of this line, and therefore common region of both, here common region is, this is a common region for both lines. This is a shaded region is our common region. This line is when extended, then common region is must be in this type. Okay, and therefore this common region, this is a common region, this common region is unbounded region. Okay, this region is not bounded region, because there is in fact very large region of this is, because when this line are extended, then region are very large. Okay, so value of this, and here objective function is must be maximum z. Okay, the shaded region is a unbounded region. In the graph, this is a feasible region, and this feasible region is unbounded, and therefore for values of x1 and x2, objective function is very large, that is their value is does not, we have to find here. Okay, their value is must be infinity when x1 and x2 are suppose x1 is equal to 4, x2 is equal to here something 4, then their value is any, then we have increases x1 and x2, then their values must be increases, therefore their value at x1 and x2 is does not here find, their values must be infinity. Okay, and so therefore given LPP has unbounded solution. Okay, therefore the shaded region in the graph, is feasible region, and which is feasible region, and this region is unbounded. This region is unbounded region, that is this is a not a bounded region, this is very large region, and therefore for various values of x1 and x2, we get various values of objective function, we get various values of objective, function z. Okay, that is given LPP has that is given LPP has unbounded solution, that is their solution is does not exist. Okay, unbounded solution. Okay, this is a unbounded solution. Unbounded solution is how to find unbounded solution if region is unbounded and given objective function is also here maximum type. There for various values of x1 and x2, value is changing x1 and x2, then objective function value is also changes. Okay, so in this way for large x1 and x2 values of objective function must be large. Okay, so therefore given LPP has a unbounded solution. This is a one case of our graphical method. So first is bounded, then alternative solution, then next is unbounded solution, and then next case is infeasible solution. What is meant by infeasible solution? Infeasible solution. How to check that given LPP has infeasible solution? That is, infeasible solution means there is given optimal solution has no feasible solution, or region is not a common, means all constraints does not satisfy the common region. Okay, that is, suppose that this line has region is upper side and this line has region is below side, then there is a no any common region and therefore given LPP has infeasible solution. Okay, here common region is, this is common region, but for infeasible solution there is two constraints does not satisfy the common region. Okay, that is there does not exist common region in constraints, and we also does not satisfy feasibility condition. Okay, that is x1 and x2 are greater equal 0. Okay, so infeasible solution, the infeasible solution lies outside the feasible region, lies outside the feasible solution. That is, there this is a feasible region, and so this is all without this shaded region all are infeasible region. Okay, this is called infeasible solution. Infeasibility is the condition that arises when there is no solution to LPP satisfies all constraints simultaneously. That is given, so all constraint does not satisfy common region, or x1 and x2 are does not satisfy all constraint, then we say that given LPP has infeasible solution. That is there is unique feasible solution. That is there is unique feasible solution. Okay, so example, check that example how to find. Here suppose maximum z is equal to 6x1 plus 4x2 subject to suppose that subject to here subject to 2x1 plus 4x2. Okay, this is a parallel line, for is less equal 4, and this is one of the parallel line is 4x1 plus 8x2. Okay, these two lines are parallel because 2 multiple of 2 is x1 and x2 are also multiple of each other. Then their value is suppose 6. Okay, 6, and so x1 and x2 are greater or equal 0. Okay, so solution of this has infeasible solution. They has infeasible solution. So 2x1, their value is, sorry, this is constraint is greater or equal type. x1 plus 4x2 is equal to 4. Then points are 0, 1, and their points are 0, 1 and 0, 2. Sorry, 2, 0. Okay. The next point for 4x1 plus 8x2 is equal to 6 has point when x1 is equal to 0. x1 is equal to 0. Then x2 is 3 by 2. Okay. x2 is, sorry, 3 by 4. 3 by 4. And when x2 is equal to 0, then x1 is 3 by 2. Okay, so plotting a graph, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 1, 2, 3, minus 1, and so on. Okay, this is x1 axis, this is x2 axis. So 0, 1 and 2, 0. This their line is this is one line. Okay, and then second line is 0, 3 by 4. 3 by 4 means 0.75. 0.75. Here something here 0.75. Okay, and next is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 1.5 here. Okay, this is a parallel to this line is a, these both lines are parallel. Okay, so these two lines are parallel. This is a not a intersect to each other. This line does not intersect to each other at any point. Okay, so these two lines are parallel lines. So this line is, first line is 2x1 plus 4x2 is equal to 4, and second line is, this second line is 4x1 plus 8x2 is equal to 6. If we plotting by scale, if you taking these lines are by scale, then we get these two lines are actually parallel lines. These two lines are actually parallel lines. Okay, so region of this is 2x1 plus 4x2 is less equal. Less equal means below side of this line. Region of this line is below side. Okay, and region of 4x1 plus 8x2 is equal to 6. 4x1 plus x2 is equal to 6 has region is upper side. Upper side means this is upper side, means there has a parallel region is in both lines. Okay, up to so on. This is this region is a, this is a region of our, this is our region for this line, for this is a feasible region. Shaded region is feasible region. This region is feasible region. Okay, shaded region is feasible region. So this region is bounded region. Okay, this is a bounded region. Okay, and therefore we have to find the points. This is O, A, B, this is C, and this is D. Okay, feasible region is A, B, C, D. Find points and they find their solution. This LPP has no feasible solution. Sorry, this LPP has feasible solution that is optimal solution. This has no infeasible solution. So next example we see that infeasibility. Okay, infeasibility example is, suppose that infeasibility examples, infeasibility. Next example, suppose that given LPP has infeasible solution. Okay, here maximum Z is equal to 3x plus 2y subject to minus 2x plus 3y minus 2x plus 3y is less equal 9, and next is 3x minus 2y is less equal minus 20. Okay, this is a given LPP has infeasible solution. Our first problem is, this is first problem has no infeasible solution, that they has feasible solution. Okay, so we check that our next example given LPP has infeasible solution or not. Okay, so write each inequality to equality. We get minus 2x1 plus 3y is equal to 9 and 3x1. Here variables are given that x and y, x1 and y, x1 and x2 are not given, so here given x and y. So 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 20. Okay, points of first constraints are when x is equal to 0, then y value is 3, and when y is 0, then x has value is 9 by 2, minus 9 by 2 means minus 4.5. Okay, and this has point, there has point is when x is equal to 0, then y is 10, and when y is 0, then x has value is minus 20 by 3. Okay, so plotting our graph, minus 20 by 3 means 6.66, minus 6.66. So plotting a graph, both constants are negative, so negative side are extend, minus. Okay, this is our graph, this is 1, and here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, and here minus 7, and up to so on. Okay, in this way 0, 3 and minus 9 by 2 means minus 4.5. This is join these 2 points, these 2 points are joining. Okay, this line is minus 2x plus 3y, equal to 9, and next line is 0, 10 and minus 20 by 3 meaning minus 6.66 something here, and joining these 2 lines. Okay, join these 2 lines. So region is, common region is here, they has a region is upper side. Okay, 3x minus 2y has region 3x minus 2y, this is 3x minus 2y has is less equal. Here suppose that this constraint is greater than equal. Okay, for infeasibility take a this constraint is greater equal side, then region of this line is a below side and region of this line is a upper side. Okay, and therefore there is a no common feasible region. Feasible region is a upper side of this line and below side of this line, therefore there is a no common region, and therefore given LPP has infeasible solution. Okay, in this example this constraint is take a greater equal. Okay, greater equal means all values of constraints are satisfied in this way. Okay, therefore there is no common region, that we satisfy all constraints, okay, which satisfy all constraints simultaneously. Therefore here bounded region is upper side of this line, upper side of this, there is no bounded region, so we get given LPP has infeasible solution. There is no bounded region which satisfy all constraints, okay, which satisfy all constraints, and therefore given LPP has infeasible solution. Okay, in this way our three conditions, first one is bounded graph, then it has optimal solution. Then unbounded, if region is unbounded and objective function is minimum type, then we maybe given LPP has solution. But when region is unbounded and objective function is maximum type, then given LPP has maybe not a solution. Okay, and next is alternative solution. Okay, alternative and infeasible solution.